Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our taco bowls, I've got 200 grams, so 7 ounces of cashews in my bowl, and then I've got half a cup of water and 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and then I'm just going to get in, that's just the zest from my lime. Just use a zester like that. If you don't have one, you could use just a microplane grater to grate the zest off, or just skip it. It just adds extra lime flavour, but it's not mandatory. And then I'm just going to use that marvellous stick blender to puree this into a sauce. Great, so it actually smells really good. So when you've got a kind of smoothish sauce like that, just have a taste and yum. Seasoning, you might want a bit more lime juice if you want it pretty zesty, or more, some salt. I actually used salted cashews that are already roasted, so that's pretty good for me. So that's our sauce done. And then I'm just going to, I've got a washed baby cod lettuce. I'll just make one here, but if you're making enough for 2 people, that sauce is enough for 2 people. So you'd use 2 lettuces. So just going to shred lettuces, and they go in the bottom. And I love just the freshness and crunch of this with the creamy sauce. It's so good. Okay, so lettuce in. Nice and full. You want it to look really abundant. Just tuck in any stray bits. And then I'm using canned tuna, but you could use any canned fish you like, or any cooked fish, or beans, or chickpeas, whatever you've got. So I'm just going to, I don't have a fork, so I'll just talk you through. So all I'm going to do is just drain this and put the tuna on top, and then dollop on some sauce, and then serve it with any hot sauce, taco bowls are good to go. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.